What if I told you that you could save $8,000 even if you're living paycheck to paycheck? I know, it sounds impossible, but trust me, it's not. You just need the right mindset, the right strategy, and a little discipline. Let me show you how. First, you need a monthly budget. And not just any budget. This one's personal, detailed, and changes every month. Write it down. Use a notebook, Excel, Google Sheets, whatever works. Track every dollar that comes in and goes out. Know your needs, your wants, and your goals. Your mission? Save $8,000. Now take that budget and cut the fat. Cancel stuff you don't use. Negotiate bills. Start using public transport. Small changes equal big savings over time. Want to speed things up? You need more income. Get a side hustle. Take on freelance gigs. Ask for overtime. Or level up your skills to earn more. Extra income doesn't mean extra spending. It means faster savings. Don't rely on willpower. Automate your savings. Set up a direct deposit to a high-yield savings account. You'll save without thinking and without spending. Take a vow of frugality. Live below your means. Cook at home. Fix things yourself. And here's a big one. No new debt. Debt slows you down. Payments kill your momentum. Use cash. Use discipline. Stay focused. Get a tax refund? Bonus at work? Don't spend it. Save it. Windfalls are your secret weapon to hit your $8,000 goal faster. Fun doesn't have to cost money. Read books from the library. Dance in your kitchen. Go for walks in nature. There are a million ways to be happy without spending a dime.
Every month, check your progress. Adjust your plan. Celebrate small wins. Saving on a low income is not easy, but it is possible, and you can do it. Remember, the best person to take care of the future you is the present you. Be disciplined, stay focused, and build the life you deserve. You've got this.